Hey everybody, welcome back to another design video, and today we'll be checking out the best free design courses for UX and UI designers of 2019. I have done more videos on this. I will be linking that on the top right of the video. There'll be an iCard. You can check it out from there. Before we get started, do tell me which is your favorite design course, be it free or paid, down in the comments. Write down and maybe even give us a link so the community gets a lot of help from you. Okay, so the first one on the list is called allison.com. It features a lot of free courses in different genres, but the one that we are looking for is design. And if you search for design, you get a plethora of different design courses from different genres like UX, UI, even graphic design, design thinking, design research, and a lot of such courses, and all of these are free. Some are even providing you with a certificate, so go ahead, check it out. All these links will be in the description, by the way. So Allison, great choice. So the next course is actually a collaboration between FutureLearn and Accenture. So if you want to check out some awesome design course from a big company like Accenture, this is that kind of course. You have of course Accenture being the source of this resource. It's a 3-week duration course with a weekly study of 2 hours. You can learn for absolutely free. That's the best part about it. And there are all the digital upgrades are free of cost. So a completely free UX design course from Accenture, hosted on FutureLearn. I think this is a great one. This is one of those must do. Okay, the next resource, this one's a resource and not exactly a course, is from thefutur.com. And they have very cool resources, but these are more or less guides and manuals. So if you're looking to bump up your education or help you understand these particular concepts more, like colors and visual vocabulary, I think go ahead to thefutur.com/free resources and check this one out. Okay, so the next one is a very famous website. I think a lot of you guys would already know this, is HackDesign.org. And they have very good instructors from all over the world, and you can learn anything. I just need to go to the lessons. They even have a toolkit, so they'll have more than just lessons here. Creating a unique personal design style, start learning 3D, and even more, even pertaining to just UX design, like design research. So there are tons and tons of free, absolutely free lessons and courses that you can go through and hack design, and they even have a toolkit which you can of course use side by side. Okay, so for all those people who are learning XD, my channel has a lot of stuff on XD, but if you want to learn a little more, maybe step by step, I think Adobe XD tutorials on their blog is awesome. By the way, link to all of these will be in the description. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button down below. Go ahead, do it. And also keep watching. I post every Monday and Thursday. See you in the next one. God bless.